In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Z Battlegrounds on PC. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly find and play Z Battlegrounds on a PC. This will work for a standard desktop computer or even a laptop. All that you have to do is open the latest version of Roblox and in here, look for Z Battlegrounds. You will be able to find the experience right away because it is very popular. It is made by Aspecting Studios and they are verified, so you know that this is the official one. When you click it, you should see that it has more than 250 million visits. And once you find this, you will be able to join and play. So as you can see, the controls are here. You can use Q to dash, G for your ultimate, F to block, double tap W to run, B for the emote wheel, and you can left click to punch. So for this video, I'm gonna go ahead and join a private server, just so it's easier for me to demonstrate this, but you can go ahead and click the green button instead if you want to play with other random people online. So when you go over to the servers tab or you click the option to join, you will be able to play Z Battlegrounds on Roblox. So once you join any private server or even a public one, you will be able to play. So you will be able to choose between all of the characters that they have. You will see all of your abilities at the bottom of the screen, so you can use them with 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you will be able to enable or disable shift lock and play however you want. The experience should work on PC and also mobile, and you can join alone or with your friends. You will be able to practice against a dummy in the private server or join a public one if you want to play with other people. So you can use the abilities, this is what they look like, and you will be able to browse through all of the characters. You can click over here to switch between them, and every time that you do, you will be able to reset your character and see the new abilities being displayed. Make sure that you familiarize yourself with the controls, and you will be able to play Z Battlegrounds. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Z Battlegrounds on PC. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.